So Scotty and I, after the fact, I was looking at the threads because I wasn't here all morning. I was over taking care of the beautiful Miss Z, JJ's Z3.
Yep.
Fantastic little car.
So
Scotty was like, okay, the instructions say 3/8/16 bolts.
Yep.
Goes in there and he's like, oh, these threads are fucked.
Yeah, exactly. And I mean, it was going by that, but
I looked at it, I go, those look like 7/16 holes. Which
Right.
They are.
So we did that and went, okay, well, those fit perfect,
Those are 7/16
but
bolts.
they didn't go through the bracket.
Yeah.
I'm like, wait a minute, well, they can't be the right bolts. So we double checked all the information we had, and sure as can be, it was a misprint on the company's behalf. And I'm not picking on them because it happens, so it is what it is.
There it is.
So now,
Scotty did some drilling. Like a glove.
so, and just to show you guys,
So I don't have to rethread anything. Yay.
Nope. 1, 2, 3.
Fantastic.
So we're good.
Good.
You know,
So
and
now,
I feel bad that I didn't catch that sooner, but it is what it is.
In the paperwork. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
not-
I mean,
it's not a Scotty situation. Now we need to look at our pulley alignment here.
Mm-hmm.
That looks to be in the middle of everything.
that's dead center in the middle.
That's cute. So I guess maybe take these spacers out of here. See these spacers?
Mm-hmm.
You take those out and set it back. See if that helps you. You see other spacers in that bracket?
Mm-hmm.
So we could do that next. This is going to be one of those we have to fight it because it's another one of those things of adapting one thing to another to make it work right.
Yep.
Hey, do you have the water pump pulley real quick? Can you grab that real
Yeah,
fast?
yeah.
I just want to check something.
What's her name?
Bonquita.
I thought it was Monquiqui.
That's your... Okay, whoa. Look at this. Did you see this?
Yeah. I saw it. That's I was like, okay, well, I looked at it real quick and went, all right, well, I've got it. We're good. Not a problem.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Some dummy.
We need to practice on that. Someone that really should not have been doing something did something to make something work. Look at the inside of this pulley.
They siliconed washers to space it out.
Oh, wow. So that it would match.
What level of stupid?
No, what level of witchcraft? So let me put this in. I got it.
But
so
now it's out. Look, it's too far out.
Yep.
If you look down, it's sticking out. So we have to take those washers out.
Yep.
But
we can't take the washers out because it will then rub up against the...
No, because you said you had to take one of the spacers out.
Yeah, no, I see what you're saying.
So then that'll put it back.
Yep.
So we have to take all those spacers out, which is basically the same thickness as the washers the clown shows put in here. So we might be able to make it work after all. It's going to be a heck of a battle. But of course, here we are, fixing other people's...
Facocked.
Yeah, facocked ups.
Yep.
Because people don't know what they're doing.
Well, I mean, don't get me wrong. This car has been put together wonderfully. It really has.
Pretty nice. Yeah. There's there's some
when
things.
you, just like you just said, when you adapt something that wasn't meant to be on something, you have to change things to make it work. So,
but they didn't do it. They didn't do it
exactly, and that's the issue. But we'll get it. It's what we do. We always get the unloved.
Scotty's unloved.
No.
So if you take those washers out, yeah, because that'll line that up. If you take that spacer out and those spacers out, that'll bring everything back. Take the washers out. Everything will come back to where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, because I didn't look at that. Ow. Yeah.
Yeah.
That bracket's bowed out. So it's causing this belt to be, I don't know if the camera will catch it. Here, look at my hand. So this is where we need to be. The alternator is like that right now. Okay. So if I
bring everything back,
these out, it'll make it flush and pull the belt in like it's supposed to.
And I think what we'll do is we'll run
alternator,
a small
belt
alternator
by
belt.
itself.
Yeah. That goes over there because otherwise we'd have trouble with our here.
Yeah.
And then these two will run
AC
and power steering separately.
Yeah.
There we go.
So we'll get it.
All right. Figuring it out. Wow.
But
No buts.
That's the day for Scotty because it's 2.
yeah,
He's done. He's been here since
on to the
6.
next job.
I've been here since 6. I'll be here till 4. Burnsy will be here till probably dark because that's how he rolls.
Well, his hours are different than mine, so we always have an overlap of somebody here.
Yeah, there's
which
always
is the
somebody here.
best way to do it.
That makes it 6 to 6. Everyone's here. Someone's here.
Yep, exactly.
And
But
with
on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
children of all ages.
what do we say, Burnsy?
Start your engines.
I agree. Start your engines.
Vroom vroom.
Baby.